This is Annie from Dragon Boat Adrenaline. Today, join me on a 1-minute water trial with my team ACCA Dragon Boat Racing Club as we start to benchmark ourselves for the state and national competitions in April 2024.
There you go. Annie, you've got 10 seconds.
Yep, right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up! 3, 4, 5. Longer!
Deep blade, Annie, deep blade!
Deep blade! Deep! Deep! Deep!
Don't move, feel it respond!
Feel it!
On your leg!
2,
1!
legs!
That's it! Kick it on! Carry that blade! Carry it! Better! That's it! Make it
Come on.
mate. Kick it on!
Keep it on!
Not long to go now! Go to the line!
Go now! Go! Now!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9!
Well done. Good job.
Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.